Hello and thank you for joining our discussion. Here we will see how we can connect 4 batteries or 6 batteries in series and parallel combination, and what is the purpose why we need to connect them in series and in parallel. First I will give you one example why we need to connect them in series and parallel combination. If you don't know about basic knowledge of series and parallel, let's suppose you see my other videos about series and parallel, then come to this video, it will be easy for you. You know, in series voltage are added up and battery capacity remains same, but in parallel voltages are same but capacity is added up. Now question is that why we want to connect in series and parallel combination. I will give you one example just for understanding. I have one generator that need 24 volt, so I will connect two batteries each of 12 volt in series. They will make 24 volt. Our purpose is resolved, khalas. But according to generator size, we need battery size also. We have a big generators and our generators need battery capacity of 200 Ah. So I will connect two batteries. Each battery have a capacity of 200 Ah. So when I will connect two batteries in series, their voltage will be 24 volt and capacity will be 200 Ah, because in series capacities are not added up. Only voltage are added up. Our issue is resolved. But in case we don't have available battery with us with a capacity of 200 Ah, then what we will do? In our warehouse we have available batteries, but each battery have a capacity of 100 Ah. What's available capacity? 100 Ah. Then what we will do? Now we will resolve our problem like this one. Two batteries we will connect together in parallel. When two batteries will be connected in parallel, their voltage will be same. Mean their voltage will remain 12 volt. But their capacity will be added up. If each battery have a 100 Ah, two batteries combined together in parallel will make 200 Ah. Now we will consider these two batteries as a single battery of 200 Ah capacity. Same, now we will make other combination of two batteries in parallel. So we have a total 4 batteries, but we have connected them in 2 and 2 pairs. Mean each battery have a 12, each two batteries have a 12 volt and 200 Ah. Again two batteries connected in parallel, their capacity is double, 200 Ah, but voltage is same. Now we will connect them in series. When we will connect them in series, they will make 24 volt, but capacity will remain as 200 Ah. Now you understand why we need series and parallel combination. Here we will see practical how we can connect them in series and parallel. Here first I will connect them in series, mean negative and positive. This one negative and positive. When these two batteries will be connected in series, here available voltage will be 24 volt here, as each battery have a capacity of 12 volt. So I will connect there one jumper here, 24 volt will be available here. I will connect other jumper here, 24 volt will be available here. Now I have a two battery bank, each bank have a 24 volt, but their capacity is even 100 because I connect them in series, and series voltage are added up, mean 24 volt. In first case I will do in series connection, mean I will connect here jumper, 24 volt will be available here. Again I will connect jumper here, 24 volt will be available here. In next, now you see here, first I am connecting them in series. You can see here available volt. I put my meter on DC selection. It's giving us 24 volt for these two batteries. This is 12 volt of each battery. So I am making other series connection here for these two batteries. 24 volts are available here. For series connection, what you will do, negative terminal of one battery will be connected with the positive of the other one, and at last two terminal we will use as a output. Now you can check here volt. it's 26 point something as sum of these two volt. For parallel purpose, what's the function of parallel? For parallel, positive and positive should be connected together, and negative should be connected together. This is parallel. What? Positive and positive, negative and negative. Now in next step, I will follow this step. First I connect them in series, they make it 24 volt here, 24 volt here. Now what I will do, I will connect them in parallel. Parallel mean, let's suppose here is negative, here is positive. Again here is negative, here is positive. For parallel connection, you have to connect positive with positive and negative with negative. Mean this negative will be connected here with negative, and this positive will be connected here with this positive. So these two combination, two battery back will be in parallel also. Now you will see I will connect them in parallel. Then it will be series and parallel combination. As first I connect them in series. First case I connect them in series, and second step I will connect them in parallel. So positive and positive together, just to make them in parallel connection. Listen something, if I am wrong here, mean this is negative, this is negative. If I will by mistakenly I will want to connect this one negative with this one, there will be spark. Yes, there will be explosion, spark, you will see, because negative and positive, there will be complete circuit and current will flow from here. So negative and negative, no problem. Positive and positive, no problem. It means I am right here. I am not making wrong connection. If I will make wrong connection, mean this negative and I want to connect here, there will be explosion, spark. Yes, if I can show you here, I am following this diagram. Mean first two batteries, first I connect them in series, negative and positive. This one, negative and positive. So 24 volt available here, 24 volt available here. Again other two batteries, negative and positive, 24 volt available here. Now I am connecting them in parallel. Parallel mean positive of this one, positive of this one, negative of this one, negative of this one. Now you have taken load from here. It is not necessary I should take from here. I can take from here also, this positive or this negative. Okay, now you will see. What? Negative, negative. Sorry, this is positive symbol. Positive, positive, and negative, negative. Now you see here volt. Here will be 24 volt available because two batteries are connected in series. So at the output, available volt will be 24 volt, but their capacity will be double. I will show you here practical examples that are installed on my generator. Same, first I have connected them in series, and again I have connected them in parallel. I have taken load from here and from here.